Hello guys! Blessed Sunday. Nandito kami ngayon sa track and field competition against Aking Son. So, sana win or lose. Dito kami ngayon. At ito na nga, natapos na kaya kainan blues.
Hi guys! Kain kami dito guys.
Dito kami sa Odong Restaurant, Japanese Odong Restaurant guys. Because after sa competition ng aking son, uwian na, natalo po siya out of 22, hanggang 6 lang ang makukuha. Number 8 siya. Kaya, next time again. So, kain na kami. So, this is Majeski TV saying, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bring the notification bells to keep updated on my new videos. Kain tayo. Yan ang udong here in Japan with onigiri.